me, these pants are a scientific marvel. Why? Well, because they're the same colour as these pants. They're the same size and shape as these pants, and they're going to last as long as these pants. Impressed? Well, you should be, because whereas these were made here in Great Britain, these are from factories all over the world. What I want to investigate is just how the manufacturers know that all these are identical.
So I've come to see Catherine McCann, who's in charge of pants for a company that makes all sorts of clothes for one of Britain's biggest retailers.
Why is it so important that they're all the same?
Oh, absolutely important. Imagine going into a store and buying a size medium one week and them not being the same size as the size medium that you bought last week. As you can imagine, there's a lot of variables involved in making a pair of pants, and we have to concentrate on those variables, right from the design stage to the choice of raw materials that go into making the pants and the actual way that we stitch the garment.
So the material effects and the stitching effects, and you've got all these variables catalogued. How do you actually go about making sure that they're not affecting the product?
Well, it's all about testing.
And they test a lot. As part of my quality pant investigation, I've got to make sure the weight of this material is exactly as specified by the company's rule book. In fact, every day, the company's labs do hundreds of tests on the material as it comes into the factory and on the pants before they leave.
So by using the same rules for all the tests in all the factories, you can compare like with like?
Absolutely, but that's only half the story. We have to conduct the tests in exactly the same way.
And that includes using exactly the same equipment, even the washing machines.
This is a really special washing machine. It's driven by computer so that we heat the water to exactly the same temperature every time. The cycle time is absolutely spot on. We even have to use the same brand of washing powder and the same amount of washing powder every time that we do our tests.
Of course, if you didn't, those would all be extra variables, wouldn't they?
Absolutely. It's important that we standardise our testing so that we can compare the results, say, from this washing machine at Bolsover with similar results, say, from the lab in Sri Lanka.
So that means if something goes wrong with this wash, it's nothing to do with the machine. We know for a fact it's got to be due to defective clothing.
Exactly.
They even test to see that all the clothes look the right colour under a standardised light. The same light that's used in all the stores they supply. And if that wasn't enough, there's a rub test where you have to make sure the fabric will stand up to everyday use. And my tests show that the material matches the strict specifications in the book. So nothing wrong with my pants.
Phew, I'm tested out. But at least I see it is important to standardise your tests, because I now know that all my results can be compared to all your other factories.
That's right.
What's this? Piece of old junk?
Howie, it certainly is not. This is a twin tub, and this gives your washing the most vicious of washes. If your pants survive this, they can survive anything. You will find one of these in every single one of our laboratories. So, if you don't mind...
Oh, wait, what's this? More standardised testing?
No, I just need some help with washing.